Hi guys and girls, welcome to my channel, the Real Life Festival Survival channel, and this is part 3 of the micro kits that I've been putting together. Basically this is a little Highlander case that I picked up recently, so stick around and I'll show you what I've got inside. Welcome back guys and girls. So okay, I picked up this little container here for £1 from my friend's shop. Basically it's got a nice little lanyard on there. It's a little plastic container. It's got a nice little lock clip closure right there, and if we open it up, the good thing about this as well, around the inside you've got a rubber ring, so it's somewhat waterproof as well. So basically guys, this is following on with the micro series. This is part 3, and so basically I'm just giving you guys ideas what to put in your kits, and I've got a selection of gear here. Some of the stuff you might have seen before, maybe a couple of bits you may not have seen before. So basically it's just giving you ideas and continuing along with the micro series, and basically it's about containers and some of the kit as well. So what I'll do is I'll lay everything out and I'll come back to you guys and girls. Okay guys and girls, as you can see I've laid everything out on the table right there. So starting off on your top left hand corner, I have a little dog tag mirror right there, nice and handy to have. Okay, for signalling also a little whistle, always handy to have a nice little whistle to get someone's attention. And below the whistle got some waterproof, stormproof matches right there in a little container. Below the whistle and the stormproof matches I have some strike anywhere matches, and in the back of that I have a little strike there so I can light the matches, both the stormproof and these strike anywhere matches as well if I wanted to. Okay, just below that I have the little O light. So let me just show you the little O light. Fantastic little kit, very bright, 90 lumens. Okay guys and girls, below the little O light I have a little wire saw. On the right hand side of the wire saw I've got some builder's string right there, very strong. You can use that for loads of different things, building a shelter, making lanyards. If you need a spare belt you can keep your trousers on with those. Okay, just above the string I have these nice little glow sticks, tiny little glow sticks, fantastic little things. Just bought these recently in a little tin, and I'll be doing a video on these soon, so watch this space. These are Survival Buddy glow sticks, 2 inches long or about 1.5 inches, something like that. Let's see if we can focus in on it for you. So I've got a couple of these in there. Just above the little glow sticks, by the way, you can use the glow sticks for map reading, marking your kit, or basically if you're in a tight spot and you need some light, you've got the little tiny glow sticks. Above the glow sticks we have a nice little knife, very handy to have a little cutting blade right there. Okay guys and girls, nice little knife. Moving on, above the knife we have a little Sunto clipper. Okay, next to the Sunto clipper I've got a pencil with some cotton thread wrapped around it and a little needle. To the right hand side of the pencil we have a little bit of Gorilla Tape, the good one, about 6 foot right there, handy for repairing, little makeshift plaster, bandage, repairing stuff, loads of little good uses for that. Okay, below the Gorilla Tape, little tweezers. Below the tweezers we have one of these little fold out towels. Just put a couple of drops of water on it and it expands out nicely. Below that we've got some cotton wool. You can use that for tinder, wounds, packing a wound, fire starting, lots of uses for cotton wool. Below the cotton wool got some fishing line, handy to have fishing line. Below the fishing line we've got some hook line and sinkers in there, and a couple of swivels. Actually the line's around that. There's no line in this little container. We've got hooks, weights, swivels in there. Okay, just to the right hand side of the fishing kit we have some silver foil right there, a couple of plasters, alcohol prep pad, a little baggie right there for processing water. Just above that bag I have a couple of Oasis water purification tablets. A little yellow pill right here is for your stomach, if you've got an upset stomach, for gastro. Just to the left of that we have a little paracetamol, a diarrhea tablet, and some little sachet of salt, which goes into this little stash posh right here. Okay, I'll show you that. Handy little thing to have. I mean, guys, this little series on little mini micro kits is just giving you ideas, okay? So really it's about the container and just a little selection of gear that you can put within that container. Like I said, I picked up this container for £1. It was actually brand new. It's actually by Highlander as well. It's got a lanyard on it as well. You can put it around your neck. You can put it in your pocket if you want. It's got a nice little clip closure. Keeps it nice and close for you. And around the edge, it's got a rubber ring, so it'll keep it somewhat waterproof. Okay, guys and girls. So there we have it. Just another little idea for a micro survival kit. You might want to put your own stuff in there, something else. You don't have to put what I've put in. And I've just giving you an idea. So some of this stuff you might have seen in my other little micro kits. But yeah, this little mini series basically is just to show you different setups, different configurations, little different ideas that you can have. So let me just have a little double check to see if I've covered everything here. Yes, I have. So there we have it, guys and girls. The little micro kit in the Highlander container. So if you want to like, share, subscribe, please do so. If you want to say what you'd like to add or take away. But anyway, that's up to you, guys and girls. Just leave a comment below. Check out my other videos, micro kits for the first one, and micro kits the second one, where I use the leather pouches. And in the first one I just talk about various different containers. So basically I'm just continuing on with the series. Okay, this is part 3 of micro kits, and I'm basically using a plastic container today. And here we have it, guys. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.